back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday and we are having some good weekend plans. We will be going for a long drive and just look at the view. Climate is just amazing. अभी बारिश की वजह से all the mountains have turned green and it just looks too beautiful. So we have planned to go for a drive with our neighbors and let's see how that goes. Also, one more update regarding my dragon fruit plant. It has been doing so good and I'm just happy, very happy with its growth. So I'll just show that to you. भाई ये तो पूरा मतलब सपोर्ट पकड़ लिया उसने. पहले मैंने ये लगाया था but somehow it just reached for the wall and then it started doing the magic with its root. मैं बस रुकी हूँ कि भाई कब मुझे मेरे पेड़ का ड्रैगन फ्रूट खाने मिलेगा. Also, I know that it's been very long since I have not vlogged. It's been really very hectic, but I'm back to vlogging and just excited to share my experiences with you all.
Monitor. I mean, see. Oh, okay. You don't have a big screen for that, right?
No, we don't have
I usually compare it with Bangalore or maybe Cochin. I just used to be like very.
But does Bangalore have a very like sane traffic?
Bangalore, you cannot drive. It's all like you have to stand on the car and then they will push you.
There's nothing
Yeah,
there.
it's like 20 kilometers per hour.
And second, it just fell off.
I guess that bridge was never strong.
It was never meant to hold so many vehicles.
So we just took a break and look at this mountain. People are trekking over here, if you can see. बहुत ऊपर छोटे छोटे लोग दिख रहे हैं. Oh, the mountain looks so beautiful. मस्त ग्रीनरी दिख रही है यहाँ पे. So we have stopped here near a ceramic shop and we are going to go and explore this now. Gagan Crockery Ceramic Shop. What are you doing?
I'm taking the snap of the day.
Look at this. This is so cute.
I'm recalling the last time we were at a shop.
ये सब कितने लंबे लंबे हैं देखो.
You can get some good things.
Yeah.
Look at
I really like these.
Are these for spices?
Yeah, looks like that.
That's
Shoe.
for spices.
But
It's all fancy. I don't think it's for spices.
It is for spices, but it cannot be used. It's just a fancy idea. It's not for spices.
but looks pretty cool.
Evil eye.
We can take one pair of these, but these are too huge.
No, we'll have the tiny ones on the side. Even Nietzsche also will come.
These are also pretty good.
ये मसाले रखने वाला है क्या?
नहीं ये तो जो डाइनिंग में रखते हैं ना तो
अच्छा, okay. That color is very sober. Sober color.
it is. But this was more for pickles or something. Pickles, salt. This is not.
ये मिश्री सौंफ ये सब रखने के लिए.
हाँ सौंफ and all you can put. Those should be smaller as well. How is it looking so pretty?
Cute cups.
Should we take 2 more cups? Because I hated a coin cup.
Angry
Becomes
Bird,
bulky, yeah.
like Jaren.
Angry bird.
And that cute pig also is
The
there.
pig is here. Yeah, wow. You can take a picture.
Now pig is Dev's favorite.
Pig's sad actually.
This looks really
Ah.
nice, but it's too small.
But this is
This one is
I really like this one, and this purple one is also very cute. Yeah. I think this is looking like all is well ka bum. We are loving the store, it's too good. Everything is so beautiful. It's just that we do not have enough space at home left.
how what to do with it. I'm still figuring out it. Simply want it. Actually.
I'm officially
If you buy this.
seriously.
This you can keep cutlery or even keep it in the bathroom so that
This looks cute. Let's take it.
Where, what is this?
finally found something.
On the dining table we'll keep it. कुछ तो रख सकते हैं ना?
Like this is also a nice one. We have finally completed our search and हमने कुछ चीज़ें choose की है. So we are just going to buy that now. Look at our shopping.
हाँ होगा तो ये उधर होगा क्या भैया?
There is a bottle in the car. Jaren is just so happy because he made us spend.
This, I bought my things from this shop.
Why are you talking? 600. Come on,
Okay. There are many crockery shops in this line.
Make it
guys. Be like two good, I guess.
Too good, yes.
but it is haven't tasted. I guess trench is looking. I'll pan down and take Jaren in the frame. Wow.
Should get a permission, bro.
You should feel lucky. You will be part of a vlog saga. It's a very pretty road here as well, with mountains and a small lake. And this is how the structure looks.
तो अभी हम आए हैं थोड़ा चाय कॉफ़ी पीने and we'll just enjoy our evening.
I'm pretty sure that you're going to edit it, right? Else I would like to be in every frame.
I started right now.
Glad that I could pause well. One thing.
Traffic is too bad.
Darling on MIDC.
If at all we want to hit the expressway, we have to again.
Never ending traffic. My
By
god.
the time we reach the U-turn, this would reach the U-turn. That's what
Actually, you could have tried
to
this
start
mode
this.
in the temple.
Yeah. But there was, the angle was not so good. See,
two places missing.
like this. So Jaren brought us to this place, giving him credit. He wants credit कि उसने हमें ये जगह दिखाई.
This street called?
Sorry, bro.
We have no idea. Ask him what is this street.
I'll ask Jaren after the call.
But it's a very cool street. Like there are a lot of shops, the Momo Wala, Arabian Nights, and lot of places to eat and explore. Tropicos. मतलब बहुत सुंदर है, क्यूट क्यूट छोटे छोटे. आरम. This is SB Patil College Road, and this whole road has a lot of cute small eateries. You can just go and explore.
Fencing and kitchen, the structure is same, but inside that they can do whatever they want.
Yeah, the border is same for all. My God, so many things. और मैं ये हाइट से ले रही हूँ ना, ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं कितनी शॉर्ट हूँ.
Resembles kind of shine.
This is golden. Golden भी है. Yeah, we can see. This is also nice. Nice place. Very pretty and cute.
Loving the Saturday so far.
Me too, me too.
Bro, buy the cheese steamed momo and a chicken butter fried momo.
Freshwater fish, right?
And from
You know what it is?
no, this version of it, it is known as Bandho Raj, like the
And the certified one.
Food vlogging day. Come on. Where was it falling?
Skipping around.
This is called kunafa. It is Grishma's favorite.
Maui Dog.
We are getting a lot of food.
shawarma open platter with pizza.
Wow.
Pretty fancy and delicious.
Thanks to me.
I am done for the day.
We have to try this.
Yeah, I will try the sweet, but I cannot eat anymore.
Should it?
We have spotted first Ganesh idol before Ganesh Chaturthi. Yeah. Going back home. Had too much food today. Just going to go and
Chinese walk.
sleep.
Bye, good night.
Good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. So today is Sunday and आज हम सुबह सुबह उठ के रेडी हो गए हैं. It's going to be a plant swap event जहाँ पे सब अपना अपना plant cuttings लाएंगे and we can go and exchange our cuttings with others. I'll show you our cuttings now. ये हमारे cuttings है. We have dragon fruit. इतने सारे. We have almost like 10-11 saplings of dragon fruit. And then we have this cute one and these two and tulsi, I think around 4. So this is our plant cuttings and this is our neighbor's plant cuttings, and believe me, they have one more tray full of cuttings like this. I think we are going to come back with a lot of plants and I'm just so happy and excited. Good morning from us.
So we are going for a plant swap event
Yep,
with lots of cuttings.
right. We have.
We might have a
breakfast.
हमें खुद का दुकान लगाना होगा उधर जाके. We are going to go and set up a
even
stall.
Aarti welcome there.
I counted 13 from mine.
Oh, that is
13 varieties.
that is
Oh,
variety.
13 varieties and how many cuttings?
Two, probably 13 to 2. So I took 2 cuttings of everything.
Everything.
At
Nice.
least 2.
We will be like hanging the dragon fruits on the top.
We have 11 dragon fruit salads.
Looks so fancy, but I don't know when the officers would eventually come up. It has always been.
We are ready. हम अपनी दुकान लेके जा रहे हैं.
So this was such a hidden patch as well. Like when the first time this event happened, na, last year, we were thinking that where is this huge like garden space and a farm that we never
See,
really.
look at this. This is that pots area. This is so pretty. See, they are giving, I think, fertilizers and all. So many paintbrush and all those are also there.
We have started the plant from peas or whatever you like.
Okay.
അവരാരും വന്ന് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർ
Okay, now I'm pampered. I want to otherwise kind of crazy.
All are very happy. This is our plant collection. As Grishma is happy, we got a lot of plants, cuttings and plants, everything. Dave is also happy.
I was planning to put these here, but then let's take one in the hand.
Yeah, I think that's better, right?
I know.
Let's keep it in.
Dave is sorting.
I'm gonna buy a stand and place everything. That's only enough.
No, the thing is, I'll need more ceramic pots for this.
Now we need to buy
It's
pots.
gonna be bad.
When people create those, these are people who have done.
This is also funny. Look at this one.
4 techniques. Take home 2 pieces of your choice.
See, they have this that flexibility in their palms.
You heard about a town called Madurai?
Ah, of course.
It's in
You can also use it for flowering plants, but the effect will be less.
Okay, good.
Oh, 5 kg? 250.